Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your headphones Beats Solo3 available on your iPhone? And firstly, I check the App Store, is it have the application. So I write Beats, and right here I have only Beats Pill, but it's not for the headphones. And no, the application is not available for these headphones on your iPhone, but you don't need the application because Beats, it's a product from Apple, so you have the same function in the settings. Just open it right here, you have your headphones, or you can go to the Bluetooth and click the information icon and you will have the same menu as previous one. And right here you have all function what available for your headphones. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!